everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix support code C14A Snapchat login error. First of all, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues, and make sure you are also connected to a stable Wi-Fi. Next, go ahead and open your app store, search for Snapchat, and then see if there is an update button available. If there is, make sure to update your app to the latest version. Next, if that does not work, go to your settings, go to iPhone storage, scroll down, click on Snapchat, click on offload app, and then this will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Now, if these do not work still, then restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, try logging in with email instead of username. Safety tip: do not log in on public Wi-Fi. Sometimes it blocks it. Quick fix: reinstall Snapchat and that's it. Make sure to subscribe for more fixes.